Today we're gonna make a fantastic birthday celebration platter with charcuterie, some meat, some cheeses, and wine poached pears. We have some Royal Riviera pears. They are beautiful. Granulated brown sugar, some vanilla, and cinnamon. And then 2 bottles Cabernet Sauvignon from Harry and David. A little secret if you want to get wine out of a bottle quicker is you create a cyclone by moving it so you get like a mini tornado inside the bottle. Let's get our pears started. I like to use a peeler that goes from top to bottom so you don't ruin the integrity of the pear. And we put that right in our red wine. We have our pears poaching. The whole house smells amazing. Now it's time to continue this birthday celebration. We are making a charcuterie and cheese board assembled with a classic European charcuterie collection. First of all, you don't want to overcrowd the board. These are all cow's milk. This is a dry jack cheese from California, a Tennessee whiskey cheese, and a cow's milk Leonza. Now I'm just gonna look through and see what we have. I love this Serrano ham. And you don't want to roll it up or play with this. You just want to put it down as it is because it's so beautiful and so special. So this is fig spread. I'm going to put it just with a jar and a spoon, just like that. We have some beautiful dried apricots, building color, texture, and height. So maybe that's here. These are stuffed dolma. I'm Armenian and I grew up with this, stuffed grape leaves. I'm going to put 3 like that. Isn't that beautiful? So it's low again. We're going to put it in this corner. Something sweet and something savory. Now let's go for these beautiful Davina roasted peppers. Anything that's red, I like to put in the middle. It sort of attracts your eye and it's a nice centerpiece. I'm going to take these beautiful baguette crisps. This really needs a crunch to capture the cheese and the pepper and perhaps that gorgeous Serrano ham. I think we need a little bit more meat on this platter and we are ready to go. Really important when you're slicing salami. The first piece goes to yourself. Cut it as thin as you can and keep it sort of in order. Then I like to snuggle that right in here. Not too full, but vibrant, rich, full of color, just the right amount. I have my poached pears cooking. When those are done, we're gonna plate it all up. So there you have it. This is a perfect way to celebrate someone's birthday or any day. And of course, Harry and David very cold rosé ready for you. Cheers.